Hello world.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Elizabeth Joy. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you read the title, some people don't, but this video is another install to Sarai's big girl room transformation, and I created her a bookshelf. So the bookshelf that I created can be used as a tabletop bookshelf, or it can be placed on the wall. What I'm using it for is I'm installing it on the wall because Sophia does get into Sarai's books. She tears them apart, she rips them. I have two kids that are both bookworms, so Sophia loves to read. She doesn't know how to be jilted with the books yet. So Sarai begged and pleaded, Mommy, when you redo my room, please make me a bookshelf that goes on the wall or goes high away from Sophia. Because right now, this is Sarai's bookshelf and it is on the floor and Sophia has full access to it. So I have to, of course, please my child and grant her wish. So I went ahead and created her a bookshelf that will be on the wall. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the shelf that I created. I made it first off camera to see if I knew what the hell I was doing. So this is how it's going to look once like books are inside. You see Whitney looking all beautiful. This is how it's going to look once the books are inside. She has a lot of space to layer the books or have them spread out. So the shelf is made of multiple pieces. This is the bottom of the shelf, the base of it. And this is the back of the shelf. And these are the sides. So the front of the shelf are pieces of trim. It came as a 7-foot long piece and I went ahead and cut it to the shape I needed for the shelf, also known as a molding. So to make my life easier making it a second time around, because when I made the shelf the first time, I had to write down all my measurements of each piece. And like I showed you before, there's a lot of different pieces. There's the sides and the back. So I wanted to make it easier to make a second shelf. So these are the sides. And this is the back of the shelf. And I'll put all the dimensions below. And that's the base. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is cut out each piece. And then lay it on the wood and trace it over again on the wood. And then cut it out with my saw.
Vibe on the beat, sipping my ties on the beach. Had to get up out of the streets. It kinda turned me into a beast. Killing bitches, swag they deceased. You could probably catch me near the east. All my niggas eating, it's a feast. Every month my feature prices they increase. Every month my feature prices they increase. In the winter sitting pretty in the heat. Bitches really not my friends, they compete. When I'm getting to the money, feel complete. In the stew, yes, I cook up with the heat. After I get head, his number I delete. Bitches acting hard body, but they sweet. Yeah, they really be so sweet. Then I count a couple hundreds. Bitches don't be living like they say they be frontin'. Catch you out in public, you ain't gon' do nothing. You gon' see me say what's up, jump on Facebook and start subbing. That's the life they live. Bitches fucking for clout. Yeah, it is what it is. There's some shit up in my life, should've faced the bid. Every time a bitch came at me, no, I never hit.
Lavish.
Cause I'm too real for that. You can ask anybody, I'm the coolest cat. Ass look a little small, but he say it's fat. Nice little round thing with the piece attached. Niggas comment on my pics, they like, who is that? I'm like, who get back? Can you chill with that? When I'm rolling spliffs, they look like some baseball bats. You ain't fucking with the gang, we got triple stacks. We count bigger racks. If it don't involve the money, we ain't into that. Bitches think I'm hating on them, that shit makes me laugh. Go to war with me, you gon' have to raise the flag. Go to war with me, you gon' have to raise the flag. I just wanna vibe on the beat. Sipping my ties on the beach. Had to get up out of the streets. Kinda turn me into a beast. Killing bitches, swag they deceased. You could probably catch me near the east.
Lavish.
All my niggas eating, it's a feast. Every month my feature prices they increase. get up out of the streets. It kinda turned me into a beast. Killing bitches, swag, they deceased. You could probably catch me near the east. All my niggas eating, it's a feast. Every month my feature prices, they increase. Every month my feature prices, they increase. In the winter, sitting pretty in the heat. Bitches really not my friends, they compete. When I'm getting to the money, feel complete. In the stool, yes, I cook up with the heat. After I get head, his number I delete. Bitches acting hard body, but they sweet. Yeah, they really be so sweet. Then I count a couple hundreds. Bitches don't be living like they say, they be frontin'. Catch you out in public, you ain't gon' do nothing. You gon' see me say what's up, jump on Facebook and start subbing. That's the life they live, bitches fucking for clout. Yeah, it is what it is. There's some shit up in my life, should've faced the bid. Every time a bitch came at me, no, I never hit.
Lavish.
Cause I'm too real for that. You can ask any.
You want to make sure that you're sanding down the pieces to get it as smooth as possible. One, the paint will go on a lot better and it just feels a lot smoother. I used a 220 grit sandpaper.
Body, I'm the coolest cat. Ass look a little small, but he say it's fat. Nice little round thing with the piece attached. Niggas comment on my pics, they like, who is that? I'm like, ooh, get back, can you chill with that? When I'm rolling spliffs, they look like some baseball bats. You ain't fucking with the gang, we got triple stacks. We count bigger racks. If it don't involve the money, we ain't into that. Bitches.
So the next step is using wood glue to glue the base to the back of it. And it makes it easier when it's time to screw all the pieces together because it holds everything into place and it just adds a little bit more structure and strength to the whole shelf.
Just think I'm hating on them, that shit makes me laugh. Go to war with me, you gon' have to raise the flag. Go to war with me, you gon' have to raise the flag. I just wanna vibe on the beat, sipping my ties on the beach. Had to get up out of the streets, kinda turn me into a beast. Killing bitches, swag, they deceased.
While I let the wood dry on those other pieces, I went ahead and measured out the size of the trim that I needed and just cut it to the sides.
You could probably catch me near the east.
Lavish.
All my niggas eating, it's a feast.
Jack.
Every month my feature prices, they increase.
After letting it dry for 24 hours, it's time to screw in each piece. And make sure you use wood screws, guys. And I made sure to screw in the back into the base first. Make sure that it's right in the middle because I made the mistake of screwing it in and the screw popped out through the side. So I screw on each side. Guys, you can use a drill for this part. When I made the first shelf, I used the drill. But Sophia was asleep in the basement and that's where the drill was, and I didn't want to take any chances on waking her up. So I had to take the long way and use a screw. Please, if you do this, use a drill. It'll go by so much faster. And make sure you don't have your drill on full power because I also made the mistake of breaking my wood because it's so thin and it's so small. And after that, it's time to sand it. I sanded down the whole entire piece. You want to make sure you get every corner. And I did make sure that I sanded out the edges so they're not just so straight and they're a little bit curved, making it a little bit safer for the girls to be around. And now it's time to paint. Guys, I used home interior paint, what you use for your walls, and it worked perfectly. I didn't use any special kind of paint. And I made sure that it was a paint and primer, but I did have to do about 2 or 3 coats of the paint. Make sure that you're letting the paint dry in between each coat. It makes it easier, and being that it is wood, it soaked it up a lot, so that's why I needed more than 1 coat, but still, it came out great.
I just wanna vibe on the beat, sipping my ties on the beach. Had to get up out of the streets. It kinda turned me into a beast. Killing bitches, swag, they deceased. You could probably catch me near the east. All my niggas eating, it's a feast. Every month my feature prices, they increase. Every month my feature prices they increase. In the winter sitting pretty in the heat. Bitches really not my friends, they compete. When I'm getting to the money, feel complete. In the stool, yes, I cook up with the heat. After I get head, his number I delete. Bitches acting hard body, but they sweet. Yeah, they really be so sweet. Then I count a couple hundreds. Bitches don't be living like they say, they be frontin'. Catch you out in public, you ain't gon' do nothing. You gon' see me say what's up, jump on Facebook and start subbing. That's the life they live, bitches fucking for clout. Yeah, it is what it is. Did some shit up in my life, should've faced the bid. Every time a bitch came at me, no, I never hid.
Alright guys, great. I hope you enjoyed the video. I loved making this bookshelf. I procrastinated my ass off. Do you understand me? This video, this bookshelf could have been done in like maybe a week. It could have been done in less than a week, honestly. It could have been done in a couple days. But I procrastinated. The month of May was really hard for me. And I'm just glad the video is done. I'm glad this bookshelf is done. And I just cannot wait to move on to the next install for her room. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button so you can see the next install for her room, because after this next video will be the final reveal for her entire room. And I'm so excited. Sarai is so excited. She can't wait to see how her room is gonna look when it's all done. And if you like this bookshelf and you feel like you're not really DIY-ish, it's not your thing, you can purchase this bookshelf on my Etsy page. The link is in the description below. It comes in different colors, personalize it, put your name on it, whatever you want, the whole shebang. Even if you don't want the bookshelf, there's other things that I created that is in the link below. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you guys think, any suggestions you have for Sarai's big girl room, and just leave a comment to say hi. So thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, the whole shebang. Sophia's crying, so I gotta go.
Bye. Please subscribe to our video. Please subscribe to our video. Please subscribe to our video. Please subscribe to our videos.